The stock market is crashing. So here's how I'm investing $100. There's currently a lot of FUD in the market right now. And FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But for investors, this creates a great buying opportunity. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 38 of my favorite stocks that I'm currently investing in. So if you're interested, make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Chris and welcome back to the Lifestyle Design Show, the #1 place for young adults to learn about personal finance and entrepreneurship. Now, before we get into the investments, I want to give a quick note about investing during a crash. And a lot of people call this catching a falling knife. But in my opinion, that's the best time to invest, during those red days. And then if the market keeps going lower, then my strategy is to consistently dollar cost average into the market, whether it goes up or down.
Here we go, come on, push it, find the dip, find the dip.
Now I just opened an account with the free investing app, Public. So let's go invest my first $100 on the platform. And luckily, this platform allows for fractional shares, which is what we're going to be doing today. But first, here's a reminder to always do your own research before making any investment decisions. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So this is going to be a lightning round to get through all of these stock purchases. But at the end, I'll go through and explain my strategy. So first, we're gonna buy $7 of Tesla. Yeah, baby! Now we're gonna buy $5 of Google, also known as Alphabet. Next, we're investing $6 into Apple. Now we're gonna invest $6 into Nvidia. And a similar company to Nvidia is AMD. And we're gonna invest $5 into them. Now we're gonna buy $1 of Ally Bank. Of course, we have to invest in Amazon, and we're gonna do $4. Now, if you're wondering how I'm deciding how much to invest in these different companies, well, I'm using my M1 Finance account as reference. And M1 Finance basically lets you make your own index fund. Next, we're investing $4 into Crispr, which is a genomics technology. We're investing $3 into Activision Blizzard, which is a gaming company. Now, we're investing $5 into Beyond Meat. Plant-based is the future. $1 invested into Twilio, which is a cloud communication platform. Next, we're investing $3 into Disney. And I am super bullish on Disney, considering all of their new Disney Plus shows. Now we're investing $3 into PayPal, because fintech is a huge emerging industry. Now we're investing $3 into Square, which is also a play on the fintech industry. Moving right along, we're investing $3 into Etsy, which I believe is a hedge against Amazon and other e-commerce businesses. Etsy also encourages the creator economy. $1 invested into Rocket Mortgage. Now we're investing $1 into Chegg, which is a play for education. $1 into Airbnb stock. $1 of Pinterest. $1 into Coca-Cola. And something to note about Coke is that it's a dividend king. Now we're investing $4 into Alibaba, $2 into Adobe, $1 into Visa. Gotta get some of that credit card exposure in there. $4 into Facebook. And Facebook, it's gonna be a big up-and-comer. Just watch. $1 into NIO, which is a Chinese electric vehicle company. Now we're investing $4 into Redfin, $1 into Cisco, $1 into Costco, $2 into Peloton, $1 into Target, $3 into Microsoft, $1 invested in Upwork, which is my play on the gig economy, $1 invested in Snapchat, $1 into Spotify, $4 invested into Roblox, the metaverse, it's the future, $1 invested into Enphase energy, $3 invested into Coinbase, and lastly, we're investing $1 into Palantir, Awesome, that was all 38 stocks. I want to mention one other company that I am super excited for, and it's Oatly. And this oat milk company is set to IPO sometime in May of 2021. And I expect to buy it on IPO day. And then, like all these companies, I plan to dollar cost average and build stronger positions in them. But if you don't want to go through and invest in individual companies like this, you could also just invest that $100 into an index fund, like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, or even a total stock market ETF. Try your best to weather through this storm and have diamond hands. Don't get scared and don't panic sell.
Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip, buying the dip. Here we go, come on, push it, buying the dip.
So you may have noticed from the investing we just did that there were very little recovery plays. It was mostly all growth. And the reason for this, I believe that most investors were so excited at the thought of reopening that these different recovery plays like cruise lines, restaurants, hotels may have already seen their substantial increases. But with tech and growth plays, I am more confident that we'll see those companies double in revenue before we're going to see any of these recovery plays double in revenue. Technology is just advancing in such a fast and extreme way. Now, I know right now the stock market might seem scary. Remember that these ups and downs are pretty normal for the stock market. But for every bear run does come an even stronger bull run. And I expect the market to rally sometime in fall, winter, or the beginning of 2022. Lastly, if you're wondering how long to hold on to these stocks, well, Warren Buffett once said that his best investing advice is to buy every stock and hold them forever. I personally plan on holding these stocks for the next 5 to 20 years. Another note is that if you hold a stock for at least 1 year, you're going to be paying less taxes on your gains. But you don't even have to pay taxes on your gains until you actually sell. Side note is that I'm also investing about 5 to 10% of my total portfolio into Bitcoin and Ethereum because I believe that blockchain technology has a lot of growth potential. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to demolish the like button, smash the subscribe button, and make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm posting on there pretty much every single day. Make sure to diamond hands these stocks, and I'll see y'all next time. To the moon, to the moon. Alexa, disconnect.